Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to review this Ikea sign paints. It says it's called Mala. It's for it says for it. I got it for my son, and let's try. Let's give it a try. How it works. Okay. So I have already opened it. So let me try. Let me see. I'll take the black one. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 colors. Looks good. Good. So let's give it a try. How it feels. Okay. Okay. It says Mala. Okay. Looks good. I love the build quality. It's very sturdy, you know. And the nib. Can you see the nib? Yeah, the nib is good. Let's try. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Let's try. Oh. Looks good. Feels good. Yeah. And the best part is there's a, you can see the side thing, and you can work. Yeah, it gives you more of the different pressure, fine tip and the bold tip. I think it's good. Okay, so let me do some drawings, and we can see the other colors. We can use the other colors. Maybe I'm gonna use some browns, you know, or the yellow one, red one. Let me see. Okay. Just gonna draw the random. Let me see what I can do here. Okay. Just give me a sec. Okay, I'm drawing this He-Man. Okay, I love this character. When I was a little boy, I really loved this character. I used to draw, you know, all the time, this character. So let me draw this. Just give me, okay. Yes, this is what I like, you know. Like you can do the bold and the fine line. No, this is the first time I'm trying this. Look, it's good, you know. Even though it's for the kids, we can use it. Doesn't matter. You know? Okay. There we go. This is what it's good. The black one. It looks good. It's a little lighter. The ink, not too dark, not the dark like we have. I used the one let me show you. Just a second. Let me show you. The brush pen I use. So this is the brush pen I use, the Prismacolor Premier. These are more darker. And the IKEA one, so it's a little lighter. Yeah? The light and the dark. But when you do like a few times, I think it's good. It's good. It's not bad. Okay, so let's finish this frost drawing. Okay, here you go. Okay, here you go. Let's do it. Okay. I'm just taking the reference from the Pinterest, so I don't want to think more for the sketches. Okay, here you go to this. Okay. Now okay, this is black, I like it, no problem. Okay, so let's do some coloring. I know it's not gonna work like we use the Copic markers or the water-based marker. This is not the water-based markers. Just for the fun, I'm taking the yellow. Let's do it. Just not bad. I like it. The feel, the grip. I like the grip actually. You know, it's more like the sides. It's not round like the one that like we have the Sharpies. Not round like the Sharpies. It gets like thready sometimes, you know, the Sharpies. But this one it's good. I'm not gonna use it. Just I'm gonna review. It's for my son, not for me. But who knows? Maybe if I need it, I can use this. Let's use the red one. Okay. Okay, so how many colors we have? Okay, we have the thing is we don't have the skin for the skin, you know. We just have the orange, but I'm gonna use the orange. I don't know it's gonna look good or not, but let's try. Okay, let's try this. I'm not going all over the skin. Just I'm gonna get some kind of highlights like this. Okay. Just to indicate the skin has a color. If I go all over, it's gonna, like, you know, it's not gonna look good. If you do something like this and I do a face, it's gonna be completely like an orange person. So I'm not gonna do that, no. Okay. or I can use some. Let's try if it works. No, no way. It doesn't blend. No, no way. Okay. Anyways. Okay. So let's use some green for the eyes and some blues for the highlights. Okay. Okay. Here we go. Some greens. Here we go. Okay. Some greens. Okay. And let's use some blue. We have two blues here. I'm going to use the lighter one. Okay. Use like a. Okay. I'm gonna do similar thing like a skin. You know, just don't use all over. Just using just to highlight. Okay. Okay. I think it's pretty good. Okay, now the one thing I'm gonna try is the gray one, the grays, to give some shadows. Let me. How dark it is? It's not a gray. It's bluish. It looks a little bit bluish, but that's fine. Okay, let's get some. Let's do some shadows here. Okay, under the eyes, nose, under the nose, cheek, lower, to the lower. Let's give some hair. Under the hair, some shadows over here. Okay. Not bad. Not bad. It's good. The only thing is doesn't have more colors. It's only the 12 colors we have. Other colors we have like pink, green, brown. Let's see the brown color how it is. I think it's a dark brown, so it didn't. No. There we go. It's okay. Brown is good, but doesn't go for this character. For this kind of character, maybe you can use for the landscape, for the trees. I think it's good for the making some trees like branches. You know, here. Like this one. You can do like this. And get some greens. Right here. Yeah, it's good. Just I will give it a try how professional you can get, but it's okay. You can draw some children books with this. For me, it's .5. 7.5 and 8, 7.58 for the children, not for the professional. For professional, it's kind of 4 or 5 for me. They definitely give it a try. By the way, it's not a sponsored video. I went to the Ikea with my son yesterday, yesterday, and I got it for him. So I thought of give you the review. And here you go. Not bad. Okay. So hope you enjoy the video. If you like it, if you like my review, sorry about my voice. I've got a little bit of sore throat today, so I cannot speak too well. Anyway, if you like my video, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. You know, it's very important. It's a new channel, but I'm sure I'm gonna make more of the videos, review videos, drawing videos, more of the sketches and some tutorials if I can. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.